Corporate Misfits, you might be looking to utilize a platform called Kajabi for your online courses, your podcasts, for funnels, websites, and so much more. But there's a few things that you need to know before you get started on this platform. So let's go ahead and dive in and see if this is a good platform for you before you get started. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and digital product business owners to build a freedom-bound business sharing their expertise. Now, before we dive into today's topic, go ahead and check out the free resource library that I have for you. It can help you with your digital products to market them, to create them, and have a better understanding on how you are going to be able to connect with your audience. Now, also, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos. Okay, so Kajabi is one of my favorite platforms, and if you haven't been able to tell already by coming to this channel, you know that Kajabi is a platform that I utilize for my online courses, my coaching, and just even utilizing it for my website and so much more. Sales funnels, all of that, I utilize Kajabi. Now, a lot of people want to jump on this platform, and there's tons of platforms out there, but I still highly recommend Kajabi. Now, before you get started on this platform though, there's a few things I want you to know. One, I have a really cool trial for you if you want to check out this platform and get behind the scenes and see if it's a good fit. It's an extended trial, so you can find the link below. And the great part is when you're utilizing this trial, you can start building out your course and building out your coaching programs and your website and all of that great stuff. And if for any reason you find that it's not a good fit, well, no harm, no foul. You don't have to pay for it, and you can keep going on with your life. If it is a good fit, well, I hope that it helps to change your business like it did mine and helped so many others around the world to be able to share their expertise online and build a digital product business. So the first thing that we want to go over, this is kind of like the one-on-ones of Kajabi, but if you're looking to utilize this platform, the first thing that you need to identify is what is your purpose for utilizing this. I see so many people so eager to share their expertise online, and they don't really understand what they're trying to do in their online business that they're looking to create, and so they just jump on these platforms and then they say they don't work whenever they utilize them. Well, the real thing is, if you don't know what your purpose for utilizing the platform is, well, then you aren't going to see the results. And so one thing I like to tell people who are considering jumping onto Kajabi or even any platform, what are you utilizing this platform for? Are you looking to utilize it just for funnels? Are you looking to utilize it as it's all-in-one platform that it is? Are you wanting to create websites or just an online course? Do you already have a website somewhere else and you're just utilizing this for more of your digital product back-end items? This will help you to be clear on making sure that Kajabi fits your needs and what it is that you are looking for, so that then when you jump on this platform, you're not feeling overwhelmed. You can get focused on the things that are going to help you to start generating revenue and also getting it out to your audience, and you can focus on those things. Okay, so the next thing is there are so many components in Kajabi. You can build a website, you can create an online course, you can have your podcast, you can have a coaching program, you can start to build out funnels, you can have landing pages, checkouts, and emails, and so much more. It's a CRM. It helps you to understand behind the scenes of what's happening with your customers. You can also pay attention to analytics and a ton of other things. Like, I have just hit the surface on what you can do. Now, the great thing is when you get into this platform, if you know what you're utilizing it for, you know what the purpose is, you can get started in those areas first. So for me, when I decided to jump onto Kajabi, I was so tired of trying to figure out how to edit my website. At the time, I had a custom built out website. It had a ton of coding behind the scenes. I didn't know how to edit it myself. And let me just tell you, I am really good when it comes to websites and technology and coding, but I just could not figure this out. And then whenever I wanted to outsource it to someone on my team, we had to continue to outsource it to somebody else who really understood the coding behind the scenes. It became a nightmare. And so one of the reasons why I jumped onto this platform was because I wanted to make my life a heck of a lot easier, have my website in one place, have my sales funnels in one place, and also be able to create online courses and digital products. When I identified what my purpose was, these components stood out to me immediately when I jumped onto the platform, and I took time to better understand them, play around with them, and once I did that, I was able to properly build out my website first, build out my sales funnels, and create my landing pages and connect the dots between all of those different platforms. So once I did that, I started saving money because I no longer had to utilize a sales funnel platform. I didn't have to utilize a landing page platform and a website platform. I was able to combine it and utilize all of the items and components that I needed right then and there. Now, the next thing is product creation tools. So if you are looking to create an online course, a coaching program, a podcast, whether it's free or paid, or maybe you're looking to sell templates, or you are looking to have a membership, things along those lines, Kajabi is able to do all that. Now, here's the beautiful part about that. Not only can you get your customers to pay through Kajabi through their checkout systems that connect to things like Stripe and PayPal, and they are now even adding new things on for a lot of the new people who are jumping onto this platform. You're now able to pay through things like Apple and some of these other platforms, which is super awesome and cool now. But the really great part is once they check out, they can immediately go into something called a library. So a lot of your customers are going to be able to see all of the products that they have signed up for and paid for, and then they're going to be able to select which product they are looking to get started with, and then from there they can go ahead and start working and going through the lessons or the audio, the quizzes, or whatever it is that you have there. So this is a really great way for your customers to have a smooth journey. I have been on a ton of different platforms where I have checked out on one platform, I got an email, I waited for the email, then I jumped onto another platform for the course, and then when I needed to go back to that course, I couldn't figure out where the link was and I was overwhelmed. When you have things in one place, it helps your customers to not feel overwhelmed, to quickly be able to access what they need and be able to reference it in the future. You don't want to make it complicated for them to get back to the paid product or even the free product that you might have offered. You don't want to make it challenging for them, or they will not come back for more. Now, the next thing I want to share and point out in Kajabi is that their customer service is on point. I know that I have been on a ton of platforms before. I have utilized sales funnel pages, landing pages companies, and I have utilized even different website companies. And when I say customer service has not been as on point as Kajabi's has, well, I can't even express that because you wouldn't believe some of the nightmares that I experienced in the past. So if you are struggling, or if you're running into just an uphill battle, you don't know how to get some of your technology to connect, the great thing is customer service wise, Kajabi will troubleshoot and help you to solve your issue. I have been on customer service before with Kajabi for like 45 minutes, and we were going back and forth, sending Loom videos, helping each other get the result and all that kind of stuff. And the really great part is I was able to resolve my issue within that day versus me having to wait for weeks, months, or trying to hire someone and outsource them. Because whenever you are trying to run a business, sometimes your problem cannot wait. It cannot wait for you to outsource it to somebody else and interview them and see if they're a good fit, if they can really fix the problem. It might cause you to have to hire somebody and stay on your payroll for technology help and stuff like that. Maybe you don't have those resources. So having customer service, not only just to interact with them and ask questions, but to help you to troubleshoot is a big deal, and it can help you in your business and save you time and money. Now, the very last thing I want to point out is that you can truly do everything you need in Kajabi. So recently, Kajabi has improved their email system. Now, I know a lot of people want to get on some other platforms for emails, and they're like, you know what, I want to do all these robust things. I say keep things as simple as possible. So when you are looking to create an online funnel, when you are looking to have an email sequence, when you are looking to have these things, you want to make sure that they're talking to each other, that they're working efficiently, and that your customers are receiving the emails and properly going through their funnels and properly getting their onboarding sequences and things along those lines. And so Kajabi allows you to do just that. It allows you to have someone sign up from your landing page for an opt-in or a webinar or whatever it may be, and then go into your email sequence and start that process and respond on your behalf. It helps you to automate things in your business. So I would highly recommend utilizing, if you're looking to utilize email emails, or you're just getting started with your emails, I highly recommend that you utilize this platform to help keep everything in one place. Okay, corporate misfits. So I know I just gave you a lot about Kajabi, but I really am passionate about helping you to understand if this is a good platform for you, because I do know how it can truly change your life and make your life so much easier if you are looking to go into the digital product space. And if it's not a good fit for you, I would rather you know that ahead of time so that you can get what you need and ultimately be able to serve your audience the best way possible. So if you're looking to try out Kajabi, I have a special trial for you. You can find that link below. And also, when you try out Kajabi, you can see if it meets your needs. Do you need a website? Can you play around with it? We have templates and stuff like that can help you. And Kajabi gives you a lot of resources that can help you along the way. There's a Kajabi University that will walk you through different trainings and tools and resources. I have a ton of resources. If you go to this YouTube channel, you will see a ton of videos on Kajabi and how you can get set up in no time. Okay, corporate misfits, until next time, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Hey there, corporate misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.